Many of us, sooner or later, ask ourselves the question, what to choose, a motorcycle or a car? One symbolizes freedom and adrenaline, the other, comfort and stability. And yes, both options are cool. But they are not suitable for everyone. Now let's figure out, where are the advantages, where are the disadvantages, and which transport will suit you best. A motorcycle is not just a means of transportation, it's emotions. When you're on it, you truly feel the road, the wind, every turn. The advantages are obvious. You move faster around the city. Traffic jams are almost not an issue for a motorcycle. Cheaper. The price of the bike itself, insurance, maintenance are almost always lower than for a car. Fuel consumption is economical, sometimes 2 or 3 times less. Parking. You can park anywhere, even where cars can't go. And also, it's simply beautiful. A bike is a style, and you are part of it.
But a motorcycle also has its downsides. Serious ones.
Weather. Sun? Okay. But rain, cold, or snow? Prepare to suffer. Danger. No protection, no bodywork. A mistake on the road can be life-threatening. Limitations. You can't comfortably carry passengers or many things. Seasonality. In winter, into the garage. Even in autumn, it can become uncomfortable. And now, a car. A car is about comfort and versatility. Yes, maybe not as romantic, but it's maximally practical. Comfort. Cold, heat, rain, you're always warm, dry, and with music. Safety. Airbags, seatbelts, electronics. In case of an accident, you have much better chances. Versatility. Traveling with friends, family, shopping, or the suburban house, the car handles everything. Range of trips. Long rides on a bike are tiring. In a car, relax and enjoy the music. Cargo capacity. You need to carry equipment, suitcases, or a dog in the trunk. Everything fits easily.
A car is not perfect either. Traffic jams, especially in megacities,
Are a whole different kind of torment. Expensive. Gas, insurance, maintenance, taxes. All of this hits your wallet hard. Parking. Finding a spot downtown is almost like a quest. Sometimes it's paid parking too. Less thrill. If you value the emotions of driving, a car won't give you the same thrill as a bike unless you're riding one of the supercars from the previous video.
So, what to choose? A motorcycle or a car?
The answer is simple. What feels closer to you? If you crave adrenaline, ride alone, and love the thrill, a motorcycle. If you need comfort, safety, family, or climate control, a car. Or maybe you'll find a way to combine both options. Whatever you choose, make it consciously. And remember, true enjoyment is in movement. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video. It will help me grow and ensure you don't miss the next one, where I'll review the most expensive cars in the world.